Shoeniverse Footwear Limited started its journey in the year 2017 as an export-oriented, green, production facility. SFL is the first and till now the only LEED-certified, gold, factory in the footwear industry of Bangladesh. It is an affiliate of the National Polymer Group, (NPOLY), which is considered as a blue chip in Bangladesh's stock market. Headed by Managing Director ENGR Riyad Mahmood, SFL is capable of producing 150,000 pairs of shoes per month. While doing so, from its inception, SFL has ensured an ethical, safe and friendly workplace for its employees, which is its main impetus for going forward. We have in-house training facility to develop our workforce. With our own capacity and with the assistance of our parent organization ELFMEEB's training program SAPE, we are continuously trying to improve our skills to satisfy our clients' needs. We have our own innovative designs to offer to our clients. We facilitate our clients to develop their own designs as well.